fire alarm test. There it goes. Yes, I'll push this one. Press that one. Put it on that tone. Leave it on that tone. Bang there. I like that sound, don't I? I'm quite happy. Yeah, I like that one. I like the tone, you know, I like on this one. It goes da 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 da. Put the key in this one. So that one, I like it. Put I wouldn't do that really, but I like the sound, don't I? Not that. I was going to say, I like the sound, yes I do. I wouldn't put in I'm just going to do this one next. The cool points. I like that one, don't I? On the thing, when I'm testing it, you know I'm going to do this. It's working fine. It works fine yet. It was working pretty well. Excuse me, coughing. Cool points next. First I'll do the cool points. This one. This one. This works pretty well. Two. Ready? Yeah. I'll need to spray the detector with deodorant. If I've got any. Where's the deodorant? Oh, it's not in here. I know where it is. Well, I know where it is. Deodorant. You know where is it? Oh, there it is. Ta! I'll spray it some more. Let's watch it. It worked really well. It did. Everyone on YouTube, the alarms went. Thanks for watching. Bye.